Emma, thank you so very much. See how beautiful my hair looks now. You're welcome, dear Abby. I'm glad you listened to me and tried EJ Wild Growth hair treatment. See how gorgeous you look now, sis. Thanks, Emma. You're the best, sis. Smiles. Are we almost at the dance school yet? Yes, dear. You seem so happy today. Yes, dear Emma. I guess there's a special reason for that, girl. You're right, Emma. Share the good news, girl. I am getting married to the love of my life in few months' time. Congratulations, Maya. I'm so happy for you, girl. Thank you, Emma. I thought you drove in with someone. Yes, my cousin Abby. Where is she? She is in Mrs. P's office. She wants to enroll into dance school. Wow, that's great. We now have a new mate. Yes, Maya. I can't wait to have her in class. Did you miss me from the beginning of this episode? Well, how are you today, fams? Have you followed us yet? Are you sure you followed Vita hair skin treatment? Now like and share so that you do not miss the next episode. Remember, you can find links to make your purchase in the comments section, EJ Hair Oil and EJ H2O treatment. These two combo are the best bet for your thinning hair. And don't forget, it is the return journey for your hair. I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.